Have you guys ever stumbled upon a font that you absolutely love, but you have no idea what it was? Well, you're in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to identify any font in just a few seconds. We're going to explore powerful online tools, helpful apps, and tips for finding the perfect typeface. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge that you need to confidently identify fonts and elevate your design game. So let's get started. Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you've watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and it supports my channel. So hit the subscribe button, guys, and let's get started. Now let's dive into the main tools you can use to identify fonts quickly and easily. First up, WhattheFont. This powerful online tool allows you to upload an image or take a photo of text. Let me show you how it works. Simply upload your image here, and in a matter of seconds, it will analyze the font and suggest similar typefaces. It's user-friendly and great for those quick font identification moments. Next, we have Squirrel Matcherator. This tool works the same. Just upload your image and the Matcherator will help you find fonts that closely match the text. One cool feature is its ability to identify even handwritten fonts. Another fantastic resource is Indentifont. This tool works a bit differently. Instead of uploading an image, you'll answer a series of questions about the font's characteristics, such as its style and any distinctive features. And based on your answers, it suggests potential matches. This can be helpful if you have a specific font in mind, but you can't pinpoint it. I haven't used that before, but let's try it out together. So we're on Indentifont, and it says font by appearance. Identify a font by answering questions about key features. Now, I don't have any font in mind, so we're just going to kind of play with this. It says, do the characters have, and I don't know how to pronounce that, serifs? Let's say yes. And then it says, how far does the uppercase letter J descend? And I don't know. So let's just put don't know, not sure. And what style of line does a dollar have? Let's say it has this pretty one over here. So if you see over here on the right hand side, so far it's kind of narrowing it down for you guys. And then it says what style is the uppercase Q tail, and you'll just go ahead and select it. So let's go ahead and select, let's say not sure. And is the 4 open or closed? And let's say it's open. And then does the uppercase U have a stem serif? Yeah, let's say it does. So you'll just see here that you just keep eliminating different things by answering questions, and that's pretty cool, I guess, if you have a font in your mind, but I don't. So anyway, that's pretty cool. So for those of you on the go who like to use your mobile phone or your iPad, the WhattheFont app allows you to take a picture of the font right from your phone, making it incredibly convenient for quick identifications while you're out and about. Plus, many other identification apps have similar features, so you can have font finding power right at your fingertips. To get the best results when using any of these font identification tools, here are some essential tips and tricks. Number 1, clear images. Always ensure that the text that you want to identify is clear and legible. Blurry or pixelated images can lead to inaccurate results. If you're taking a photo, make sure it's focused and the text is not obscured. Number 2, good lighting. Lighting is crucial. Natural light is often best as it reduces shadows and highlights. Avoid direct sunlight that may cause glare, but also ensure that there's enough light to see the font detail clearly. Number 3, flat surface. When photographing text, place the item on a flat surface to avoid distortion. This will also help the tool analyze the font more efficiently. Number 4, contrast. Choose images where the text contrasts sharply with the background. For example, dark text on a light background or vice versa will help improve visibility and accuracy. Number 5, trim excess background. So if possible, crop the image to focus solely on the text. Removing any unnecessary background elements can help the identification tool concentrate on the font itself. Number 6, test multiple tools. If one tool doesn't yield satisfaction results, try another. Different tools may have varying capabilities and algorithms, so it's worth testing multiple options. Number 7, use multiple examples. If you are unsure about a font, try making multiple images or examples of the same text from different angles or in different lighting conditions. This can also help the tool provide better suggestions. And the best part about all of these tools is that they are completely free. You can easily access them anytime you need without a cost. By following these tips, you'll increase your chances of successfully identifying any font you encounter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today and you found it helpful. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which one of these tools did you like the best? Was it WhattheFont, Squirrel, Matcherator, or Indentifont? And have you heard of any of these tools before, or are they new to you? I'm curious which one you're planning to try out first. Personally, I find that using multiple tools can help give you the best results, but I'd love to know which one works best for you. Also, let me know if you think that these tools are helpful. Have they made it easier for you guys to identify fonts for your projects? I hope that these resources simplify your workflow as much as they've helped me. And if there's something else that you're interested in, or if you have a specific question, comment below and I'll try to make a video on that as well. Your feedback and suggestions really help me create content that's useful for you, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts. If you're new here, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. So before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Your support means so much to me, and I'm excited to keep bringing you helpful content in the future. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.